Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will replace regular 5 packages utilities of GNU or Coreutils with their newer, more modern alternatives. So let's get straight into it. First utility is zoxide. First utility we have got the CD. Now, if you enter my bash shell and ls here, and then go to the projects, animations, .vnv, .lib, .python 3.14, z. Now we are deep into the directory, yeah? And you accidentally press CD here, and also Ctrl L. Now, what you're gonna do? You again need to remember all of the keys. Need to go to the directory again and again. So if you don't wanna do that, there is a better way to do that, which is zoxide. A smarter CD command for your terminal. Zoxide init fish. Initialize the fish shell. And we go CD into projects. The projects, animations, .vnv, lib, python 3.40 packages. We are here, yeah? If you press print the working directory, we are here. If I accidentally press CD, now what do? I can press Z plus dash and it will take to the directory that I was in previously. To add that to your shell, user type fgf dash dash fish pipe to source, or if you're in a bash or Z shell, you just type eval, open up $ and brackets, zoxide init bash or Z shell bash. Now we have zoxide in the bash. It's great. You can jump through directories recursively. You can search through them with ZI. I have 23 searches. You can search recursively with ZI. You can see the inside of the directories, and if you press C and if you press enter, it will go to that directory. Beautiful, yeah? Next utility in our list is trash. Not literally trash, but it's named trash, CLI. It adds trash functionality into our shell. So if I touch grass in bash and if I run that grass, it's gone. You cannot return it. But if I touch grass in the fish shell and I run it, it will take that into .local share trash. So I can return the trash with local trash files grass to here. So again I have trash. Good. Next on the list is ls and 3. On ls on bash, it's kind of bland. You don't have icons, you don't have specific code icons for specific code files. So if I go to manime, if I go to projects, animations, I don't have a specific icon for Pi or Tom or MD. So better alternative, of course, ESA. It has specific file specific icon for Git, specific icon for Python, or README, or folder. And if you go to the directory, we can see specific icons for npm, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos. This is all scripts. This is JDK, Python history, text file, Vim file, all set cool things within one command or utility. Great. Now 3. Oh god, what is this, bro? It has no icons, it has no syntax highlighting, it has nothing like that. What do I do? Great question. You essentially use as a again. You pipe icons la-3 level 2. It will search up to 2 directories deep and will find every file, every folder within it and open it to your eyes so you can see through them. Great. To add this to your, I have added a tl command. It's just an alias here. Type enter, you can see the folders. Great. Next up on the list is grep on project temperature converter. If you type RG, which stands for, if you were to type grep, it takes forever to show it, but there is a better alternative, RG, ripgrep, which essentially means grep is dead. Instant show in which line, in which file instantly. Great. Next up on the list, bad. So regular cat shows file, all of the file at one time. It doesn't have syntax highlighting. If the file is too long, it will show it. It don't use a shit about it. You can see it, but of course there's a better alternative. Cat. Cat is a cat. Bad. It's a flying cat. Cat with wings. You enter here, get syntax highlighting. If the file is too long to show it, it will show a preview of it. You can copy from it. And I also have an alias. I will show it later. Bonus. Of course, my subscribers love bonuses. Who doesn't love it? LZF. If you type enter here, we get a little bit of searching, and you can preview things here. And if you were to press enter here, you can open up a file. So if I were to config.fish, which is my fish file, and press enter, it opens my fish file. So generally it just shows FZF and previews it using that, a previous command, and pipes all of these things to FZF. Great. FZF is just a kind of search bar for it. It's beautiful, it's wonderful. You can use it anywhere and everywhere. It's great. Next, we are done. Now I will show you how to use them more productively. We can set zoxide on startup on fish shell using this command, and also FZF on startup. You might ask why. So you can do cool things like Ctrl L and search your previous commands, or cd what I have cd'd into lately. Oh, kitty config, beautiful. Press it, see it, exit it. Beautiful, fast, and productive. This is for ESA. This is for trash. This is my as a commands or different previews. You have got it, like. And also I have JF. Now you can see this exact alias on Chris Titus. He showed it on his. So if I type mess.node, that is exactly what he did. I can easily install packages here. So TTF Cascadia code node, I can install that font, seed, and then he has done it on bash. I have converted into fish shell with fish's syntax, so it's I kinda worked a little bit, but it's easy. Also it has been done using FZF. What it does, search yay packages and shows it using FZF and installs it as you select it. Beautiful. If you liked my video, please subscribe, like, and share it to your friends so they can make their desktop better. Again, Fast Sash here. Goodbye. See you soon.